Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install BlueRS software for our PC, Windows, Mac and Android operating system. In this video, okay, we will download it from its official website and install into our operating system without any disturbance, okay. And on the other hand, what is BlueRS? Actually, the BlueRS is a software for video security and webcam software for your offices or house or anything. You launch your cameras, security cameras around, okay. So without wasting time, we will go to its website and download the software for our devices, okay. So let's go to video and try to download it, okay. First of all, we will go to our browser and search here BlueRS, okay. BlueRS. After that, open this website. That's name is bluerssoftware.com, okay. And you have seen the interface of website like this, and video security and webcam software. The latest version is BlueRS is 5, okay. UI refresh, remote management, alert, action, set lists and more, okay. Buy now here with the purchases, okay. Security, video security, remote management, alert, action lists, UI refresh, okay. On the other hand, video management software, you can read the specs and overview of that software. You can see that are the many multi cameras attached to the software. You can see here the security of anything. The screenshot is available here. You can see here. Purchase the license. On the other hand, we will discuss the price of the full variant versus LE variant. The LE variant support 1 camera and full variant support up to 64 cameras. You can see here, okay. That is price is $70, and the LE variant that support only 1 camera, that's price is only half of the 70, okay. A 50-day demo period is offered. Okay, you can see the free trial is available for 15 days. You can download it from its official website. Mobile access, you can see here the mobile access here, okay. View live and recorded videos, manage multiple installation, control PTZ IR, more functions, listen and talk. Oh, you can listen and talk to the easily navigate cameras, okay. You can easily navigate the different cameras you are attached to your software on mobile device, okay. Video security, use motion or audio seasoning to trigger recording and record continuously or periodically, okay. You can see here manually or automatically or daily or any time you want to record, okay. These are the feature of that software. Web server, UI3, that is the total overview and specific. You can download its free trial and also purchase the pricing you have seen already. That's we will try to differentiate between its requirements, minimum requirements and recommended specification. So we will see here the difference between basic, extended and priority, and these are the feature. You can differentiate the feature between different editions. And so without, we will go to and download its free variant, free trial for 15 days for our PC here. Click here and you can see here the software has been started to be downloaded. That is 150 MB setup, and after its download we will run it as administrator and try to install it, okay. After its completion of downloading, okay, and after that we will install it into our PC, and after that it will work for your 15 days demo for your device. And you can also guys in this way download and install BlueArray software for your PC, Mac or Android operating system. It will detect automatically your operating system and provide the setup for your operating system. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Okay, thank you so much.